Super Bowl was yesterday, and a lot of people watch the Super Bowl, but some people claim that the best part of the Super Bowl is always the commercials. So I don't know if that's true or not. I'm not really a football fan, but that's another story. So let's look at commercials. What does it cost to have a 30-second commercial during the Super Bowl? Back in 1967, it cost $37,500 to run a 30-second commercial. So the company had to make the commercial and then pay the network $37,000 to play it. And prices have been increasing since then. Here's just a list from 1967 to 2021. That's a lot. Wait, almost $6 million? Yeah, almost $6 million. So your job today is you're going to find a website with the price of Super Bowl commercials from 2000 to 2021. So just those 21 years. Make sure you copy the URL because you're going to need it later. So you're going to create a new Google Sheet. And first you're going to make a data table and give it a title. So here's my data table. I'm going to give it a title of Super Bowl commercials. I'm going to make sure it merges across columns A and B, so I click that merge button. While I have them selected, I'm going to center it. And let's go with the font size of 14. Then we're going to go on the second line, the subheading, or the subtitle, selecting A and B, again, merging them and centering them. And while it's still selected, a font size of 12. It's going to get cut off a little, so I'm just going to make it a little wider so you can see all of it. All right, let's go back to the directions. Leave a blank row between them. My suggestion was the year and the cost. So again, the year and the cost, we've got that. And then you're going to include the data from 2000 to 2021. Mine's a little different. Leave a blank layer at the bottom and include the links where you got it. So again, the URL should be here. The web address where you got your information should be here. Then you're going to make sure that you select highlight from A1 down through the last of your rows and do the format, alternating colors, and give it a little color. Doesn't matter what color you pick, just give it a little color. Next, we're going to highlight just the years and cost, the actual data itself, not the subtitle and the title, not the URL, just the years, the cost, and all the information. And we are going to insert a chart. You get to decide which kind of chart. If you think it looks better as a column chart, if you think it looks better as an area chart, you decide which kind of chart you think it looks best as. Make sure you give it a title that makes sense. Or whatever you want to name it. Make sure you give it a title that makes sense. Please don't leave it the default blue. Change the color so I know that you can change color. Again, I don't care if you make every one of them different or just change one of them. That's totally up to you. Just make it look good. Add some color. Add a little pop-up flare. And when you're done, turn it in.